Welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to change the app lock period on WhatsApp Web for PC, following the latest update. This feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your conversations remain private even when you're away from your computer. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web in your preferred browser. If you haven't already linked your WhatsApp account, scan the QR code using your mobile app to connect your phone to the web version. Next, look at the left side menu and click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. This will take you to the settings panel where you can adjust various preferences for your WhatsApp web experience. Once you're in the settings menu, click on Privacy. This section allows you to manage your privacy settings, including who can see your profile picture, online status, and more. Now, scroll down until you find App Lock. This feature lets you set a password or biometric lock for your WhatsApp web, preventing unauthorized access to your chats. Here comes the main part, changing the period. Click on App Lock. You'll see options to set the app to lock after 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. Select the time interval that best suits your needs. This determines how long WhatsApp Web will remain unlocked after you've been inactive. And that's it. You've successfully changed the app lock period on WhatsApp Web. Now, your WhatsApp Web will automatically lock after the specified time, requiring a password to unlock it. This ensures that your conversations remain private, even if you step away from your computer. If you ever want to disable the app lock feature, simply return to the app lock settings, enter your password, and deselect the app lock option. Remember to keep your WhatsApp app updated to enjoy the latest features and security enhancements. By following these steps, you can customize the app lock period on WhatsApp Web to match your preferences and enhance your privacy.